it is your responsibility to protect your users' data because you are creating the structure in a custom way. Bubble can't know how to create privacy rules around that custom structure. It's not going to be able to assume things for you. So make sure that you are addressing and testing these areas early and often. Your first stop should be the Privacy Rules sub-tab within the Data section of your app's editor. Privacy rules are created to help you restrict access to records app-wide, and they're created per data type so that you can get really granular with your custom rules. In some cases, you may not need to set up any rules if the content isn't sensitive. For example, let's say that you have a data type of countries to organize names, flags, currencies, and so on. None of that is private information, so there's no need to create a rule here. Conversely, a data type for contracts may hold more sensitive information that only the parties involved in the contract should have access to. So when you set up a rule or multiple rules, we recommend approaching them from the granting access perspective. Anyone who doesn't meet any of the rules would therefore be restricted from accessing them. Privacy rules require a well-organized data structure so that you can set up conditions based on who the user is and/or what their relationship is to the user in question. Now, aside from privacy rules, your data structure will also help you create specific filters in your dynamic expressions. Every data-driven app at one point or another is going to have a database search somewhere in its logic. A search expression comes with optional filter and sort settings that you can add to refine those search results. The settings are very dependent on what fields are available in the data type and the format of those fields. So when it comes to security, search constraints can help you filter out data that the user isn't allowed to access alongside your privacy rules.